from the luxurious and environmentally conscious travel of the future. Greetings. Presenting the BYD Motorhome 2026, a groundbreaking invention that blends the amazing comfort of a motorhome with BYD's knowledge of electric vehicle technology. With its sleek, contemporary form, contemporary LED lighting, and smooth aerodynamic lines, the design is visually arresting and exemplifies BYD's dedication to innovation. The motorhome has the Ocean Aesthetics design concept, which was inspired by BYD's most current passenger vehicles, and integrates solar panels on the roof for maximum energy efficiency. It is both fashionable and useful. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a state-of-the-art all-electric drivetrain powered by BYD's most modern blade battery technology, which is renowned for its dependability and safety. The incredible immediate power and torque generated by two electric motors, which also have an incredible range and smoothly accelerate, enable long-distance driving. A dashboard that incorporates the concept of a digital cockpit greets you as you enter. A large, user-friendly touchscreen controls all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome features, and a digital instrument panel prominently displays important driving information. A modern, environmentally friendly ambience may be produced by combining sustainable, soft-touch materials with light wood or metal accents. Utilizing every square inch of available space, the interior design is mostly modular and changeable. The sofas and chairs' excellent upholstery, swivel, and folding features make it easy to turn the living room into a dining area or even an extra bed. Ambient lighting with programmable LEDs creates a variety of mood-appropriate ambiances and adds a luxurious touch. The back bedroom is a tranquil retreat. It offers panoramic windows to take in the beautiful surroundings, a king or queen bed with a comfortable memory foam mattress, and easy storage. An integrated audio system and a flat-screen TV add to your personal comfort and entertainment. The design of the bathroom is intended to be both luxurious and practical. A modern shower with excellent water pressure, a fashionable sink with an illuminated mirror, and a toilet with a water-saving flush mechanism. Excellent waterproof materials and effective ventilation provide the maximum level of comfort. The kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's dream come true, with a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, a large freezer-equipped refrigerator, and a well-integrated double sink. Thanks to the excellent surfaces and abundant storage space, you can cook delicious meals wherever you go. A mobile luxury residence powered solely by electricity and BYD's unrelenting innovation is the BYD Motorhome 2026. Prepare yourself for an incredible journey. It is more than just a means of transportation. It is a platform for infinite discovery.